Hi everyone, welcome to Dreams DIY. I am Soumya and in today's video I'm going to make a macrame wall hanging with this wooden panel that I found at a thrift store. So let's get started from the beginning. I got this really long wood panel from a thrift store for around $3. I'm giving it a coat of black chalk paint. It's in color ink by Waverly. So I'm coating the front and back of this wooden panel with the chalk paint. This wood panel already had two hanging supports at the back to hang it. But if you happen to take a wood panel which does not have these kind of hanging supports, then you can always put a saw hook at the back. I will list it in the description box. After applying 2 coats of Waverly chalk paint, I let it dry for some time, and after it was all dried up, I am applying the black modeling paste by Crafters Workshop. So if you don't have a black modeling paste, you can simply mix black acrylic color with your regular modeling paste. Now I'm placing these ceramic leaves on the dowel. I got them on Amazon and I'll be providing you the link to these as well. So I'm just placing the ceramic leaves carefully on the modeling paste so that they're going to stick on the dowel, because the modeling paste also acts as a very good glue, so it's going to stick the pieces on the dowel. I wouldn't worry about the black paint coming over the leaves because once it's all dried up, I'm going to wipe it with a wet wipe so that the black color, which is now at this moment appearing over the ceramic leaves, it will not be showing in the end. I picked up these black and brown leaves ceramic pieces for this mosaic because they represent fall in a beautiful way. So it's not just going to be a regular home decor, it could also be a seasonal decor. After pasting all the ceramic mosaic pieces on the wooden dowel, now I'll be working on the macrame part of the project. Here I'm making a tassel with my brown yarn. I wrap the yarn 20 times around this rectangular cutting board. Now I'm tying one end of the tassel that I just made, and I will be taking it out then and then cutting the other end of the tassel so that I have loose ends on the second end. Now I'm tying a yarn string across the tassel After tying it up, I'll be cutting the uneven edges of the tassel so that it's neat and one length. In the same way, I'm going to make my second tassel. I'm going to put 2 tassels on this macrame. After I'm done making the tassels, I will now be attaching a long yarn string to my tassel. I'm doing it so that I can hang my tassel at whatever length I want to hang it at. So I put yarn through my needle and I'm going to put this needle. So I just want to get it through the tassel so that the yarn gets attached to it, and it's all tied up at one edge so it doesn't come out of the tassel. After I'm sure that the yarn is properly attached to the tassel, I'll just cut my needle free. If you find any loose ends on your tassel, you can simply hot glue them together so that your tassel looks neat. I'm going to use this white box lid to wrap my yarn around it so that I have macrame of the same length. I'm just wrapping the yarn around, and when it is thick enough, I'll cut it. And I'll have really long yarn pieces and all of the same length. Now I'm just going to hot glue them to the dowel, and similarly I will be doing the same thing to this pom-pom yarn as well. Just hot gluing everything together. This is how it's going to look when I'm all done sticking the yarn and tassel pieces to the dowel. If you like the idea and the video, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll be back with more interesting DIYs for you. Till then, take care and happy crafting!